Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this sumptuous looking honey garlic chicken thighs. Now to get right into it, for my ingredients, I have some chili peppers and parsley. I have 4 cloves of crushed garlic. So that's 4 cloves of crushed garlic. I have all-purpose seasoning, and in this seasoning I have some curry, thyme, black pepper, lemon zest, and chicken bouillon. Here I have about 40 ml of soy sauce, 250 ml of honey. I've got about 40 ml of chicken stock that I prepared earlier, and also I have about 5 medium-sized chicken thighs. Here I've got cooking wine and some cooking oil. So to start, I'll first marinate the chicken thighs with the all-purpose seasoning. So you just have to sprinkle that on it and just rub it all in properly, just to get all the seasoning in as much as possible. Okay, so here I'm just finely chopping the chili peppers. Afterwards, I'm going to set that aside for later on in the cooking. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing here is just pouring some cooking oil into a hot pan and just allow that to heat up for some time until it's quite hot, because we're going to be searing the chicken on both sides for about 5 minutes. So I'll start by searing the skin side of the chicken side first, and after 5 minutes I'll be flipping that over and I'll sear that for another 5 minutes. Okay, so I've had this searing for just over 5 minutes, and I'm just checking it out. Now it looks nicely golden brown, and that's the kind of color you're looking for. If it looks similar to this, then it's good for you to flip over. Otherwise, you can just leave it for another 2-3 minutes until you get something similar to this kind of color, and then flip it over and then allow the other side to sear for another 5 or 7 minutes. Okay, so whilst the chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the honey glaze. So into a hot pan, I'm adding 250 ml of honey. That will be followed by 40 ml of the soy sauce. I'm just going to allow that to cook on a low to medium heat, and I'll be stirring occasionally. So let that cook, the honey glaze, just cook for about 8 minutes. It should bubble slightly at some point. Keep an eye on it and just stir occasionally. Okay, so after searing the chicken, turn down the heat, add the crushed garlic, and just allow that to cook for about 10 minutes on a low heat. Ensure that you turn or flip the chicken just to allow the garlic to infuse its flavor very well into the chicken. Okay, so continue to sear the chicken and the garlic on a low heat and turn the chicken over from time to time. Okay, so now I'm pouring in the honey and the soy sauce into the pan that has the chicken thighs. Now I'm just going to allow that to sit for about 4 minutes and cook on a medium heat. Afterwards, I'm just going to get a spoon and then just scoop some of that glaze onto the chicken thighs. And then I'm just going to flip the chicken over one at a time. Okay, so the honey and soy sauce has thickened as we've cooked it, and that has formed a glaze on the chicken thighs, and that's exactly how we want it. This is looking very yummy, honestly. And I'm just going to keep turning or flipping the chicken thighs around so that to get as much of the honey glaze on it. Afterwards, I'm going to be sprinkling the chili peppers and the parsley on it.